With the ocean being 71% of the Earth's surface and containing 99% of the living space on the planet, we need to keep the ocean safe and habitable from mercury pollution. Mercury pollution not only affects the fish by harming the food chain and causing damage to the fish central nervous system, but also affects humans who consume fish. Too much mercury consumption can cause neurological and chromosome problems. Birth defects occurs in most children who are affected by mercury poisoning, and that can cause them to have ADHD or motor skills problems.
There is about 45,000 to 80,000 metric tons release of anthropogenic mercury. The majority is emitted from coal-fired powered plants, gold mining refineries, and the paper industry. Most is found in waters shallower than 1,000 meters, where most fish we eat are. There are multiple ways to solve this predicament, like using coagulation filtration to filter mercury by adding the raw water and the coagulant in order to do the process of rapid mixing, then slow mixing. This will then turn the mercury into sludge, which will then be sent to a hazardous landfill. The sludge is no longer toxic. You can also use granular activated carbon, which absorbs the mercury. Both of these ideas do not filter any beneficial minerals, they only absorb mercury and chlorine.
Our proposal to help solve mercury pollution is called Quicksilver, which is a filtering submarine. The filtering submarine uses both coagulation and filtration and carbon granular to filter the mercury in the ocean. There will also be a prevention system that will be put at the end of sewage pipes and filter the incoming water from mercury. This will work the same as a submarine, but it will prevent the future mercury. These machines will be set in mercury hotspots like Eastern Asia, India, China, Europe, the Mediterranean Sea, and parts of South America.
After the water has been filtered, it will be sent back into the ocean. When the mercury intake is full, a satellite will direct the submarine to steer itself towards a landfill to dump the mercury sludge. Quicksilver filter is not only cheap and efficient, but it can be mass produced in order to get a healthier ocean quicker. The overall positive effects will be a healthier food chain, less chance of neurological and chromosomal problems, and it will also decrease the chance of children born with birth defects. In conclusion, this filter will revolutionize the way that we look at mercury.